For UCLA Extension, I actually teach for the American Language Center. I teach high-level academic reading and writing courses and high-level grammar. This is for students who are planning, some of them are planning to go on to university in the US. And for those students, I also teach the college workshop. This helps students to understand the US college system, which is quite different from their home country, and to navigate the rather labyrinthine admissions process. I help students too select colleges to prepare for interviews and to prepare their admissions essays. Some of my students have gotten into Carnegie Mellon University, into the Academy of Arts University, into Otis School of Design, and even into NYU.